engineer that works with integrity, that designs a building or a road with integrity so that it is efficient, is showing compassion for the people whose lives and whose livelihoods depend on this thing that they've designed. A key difference between the Ashesi engineering program and other engineering programs in Ghana is that it subscribes to the liberal arts approach to education. In addition, we have a very strong emphasis on three areas. One is design, the second is entrepreneurship, and the third is systems thinking.
We offer three main engineering majors. These are mechanical engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, and then computer engineering. Now, the interesting thing about these programs is that they're very tightly integrated. This is because we recognize that most problems don't come in nice packages labeled as, oh, I am an electrical engineering problem, or I'm a mechanical engineering problem. You need to be able to apply these areas of knowledge together to solve a problem or to create a product or a service.
We expect students who've gone through the Ashesi education in engineering to above all have a certain set of values in the work that they do. Scholarship, leadership, being a good citizen, the impact that they're making in their society. Those characteristics and those values, I would say, are the single most important thing collectively that an Ashesi engineering graduate should have. Crises test the values of societies, organizations, and individuals. In addition to being learning moments, crises also tend to be values moments. This is the first point I want to make to you today, that as you continue your life's journey, it is in the moments of greatest difficulty that your values will be most tested. Pay attention to the decisions you make and the actions you take in those times, because your values may lead you to great answers or some not so great answers. So as you go on with your lives, remember also the importance of empathy. A me-first approach to decision-making and life will not always make you first. Remember that CEOs need to care about everyone else: customers, employees, shareholders, and other stakeholders, not just themselves. Similarly, leaders of nations must care about issues that affect their citizens, both locally and internationally. I remember a time a few years ago when I suggested to a high-ranking professor I met that at Ashesi University, the work of a janitor or gardener was as important as the work of a professor. I remember the shock on her face. To her, my statement was heresy and would not be countenanced at other universities she had worked at. Listen, I understood her sentiment. The core functions of a university are teaching and research, and professors are the primary providers of those functions. But a lot of learning happens outside the classroom too, in an environment managed by university administrators, kept clean by janitors, made beautiful by gardeners, made safe by security personnel. As a leader, I have decided to care about everyone, see everyone, speak to everyone, respect everyone. It works for me, and I recommend this approach to you as you set forth in your careers.